empowering smarter, more sustainable manufacturing decisions. In continuous manufacturing processes, operators must carefully select the right process settings to balance quality, productivity, and efficiency. Yet, without the right tools, this remains largely guesswork. Flanders Make has developed a validated workflow for building and deploying digital twins in continuous manufacturing environments. This demo illustrates the system using the workflow for a medium-density fibreboard (MDF) production use case. By combining data-driven models with physical insights, the digital twin predicts key performance indicators such as product quality and energy consumption based on process parameters. Operators can simulate different scenarios before applying changes in the real plant. This allows them to identify the optimal process settings that maximize overall equipment effectiveness while reducing waste and downtime. The workflow can also be integrated into optimization routines, automatically finding the best balance between energy use, quality, and throughput. Try the demo to find out how we bring together data, physics, and operations to empower smarter, more sustainable manufacturing decisions.